Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Clipchamp and importing both the green screen clip and the background you want to reveal. Make sure the background matches the clip's resolution and frame rate so edges align. Drag the background to the timeline first, then place your green screen clip on the track above it. Once done, select the top clip. You're ready to apply Clipchamp's only built-in chroma key effect. Proceed now so the effect reads the top layer against the background below. With the top clip selected, open Adjustments and choose Chroma Key. This is the only way in Clipchamp to remove green. Use the eyedropper to sample the green from a mid-tone area, because accurate sampling reduces artifacts. Then gradually raise tolerance to eliminate remaining green and lower it if parts of the subject disappear. Increase feather slightly to soften edges and use spill suppression to remove green fringe. Make small changes. Finish by playing the full clip and trimming any small mask errors with the razor tool. Correct frame by frame if needed. Once the composite looks natural, export using the project's original resolution and codec to avoid scaling artifacts. If you still see green fringe, reopen Chroma Key, resample a neutral mid-green, lower tolerance, then use color correction on the clip to match background lighting. If problems persist, try a slightly darker or brighter background to reveal remaining halo for easier cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.